Hey ladies, today we're going to do a 5-minute Pilates ab workout using the mini band. So you can always do it without the mini band, but I promise you're going to love it with the band. It's going to add a little extra and get a little bit of those outer thighs burning too. So let's get started. We're gonna have those bands come just above the knees and lay all the way back. So bring the band up, get it nice and flat, and then lay all the way on your back. And then find tension on that band. Hands are gonna come behind your head, belly nice and flat, and then just lift into a nice strong ab curl. Hold it right here, and we're going right into single leg stretch. So hold that ab curl, reach one leg out nice and long, press down into the band, come in, and then switch. In and switch. So I want you to keep tension out on that band so that you feel those outer thighs. And then you're getting a little extra booty because when you press that leg straight, you have to push down into it. So you get a little booty squeeze, a little bit of hamstrings. Good, abs are strong. And you can always lower your head down here if it's too much on your neck. You're still gonna get plenty of low ab work. Reach and in. So belly is flat, whether your head is up or down. Keep drawing your navel in towards your spine. 3 more each side. Reach that leg long, push into that band, get that little extra booty work. Nice job, ladies. 1 more each side. Belly drawing in. Take a quick little rest, hug those knees in, rock a little side to side. Again, your low abs have to work harder to stabilize that leg in tabletop. We're gonna go into Criss Cross next, super, super slow, so that you really, really control that band. Hands come behind your head. This time you're gonna lift and twist towards me, hold that knee in, extend the opposite leg out, come through the center, and then switch. Center, switch. So again, pushing on that band, feeling a twist now through those obliques. Nice and strong in those abs. Again, nice and slow, whichever leg is in tabletop, you want to stabilize. Pushing into that band. Hips stay steady. Deep into those low abs. Again, 3 more each side. 2 more each side. Whew, those abs are burning. 1 more each side. And rest. Whew. All right, readjust that band a little if you need to. From here, we're gonna go into our double leg stretch. So when you reach your legs out straight, I want you to find like a little V shape here. Again, hands can be behind the head and you can lift into your ab curl, or you can keep the head completely flat. So from here, you're gonna lift it up, find that nice strong ab curl. If you're finding it, reach those legs apart. You're gonna reach the legs out to a V, draw it back in. Inhale, reach, draw back in. If you want a little extra, you can open on that band as you reach it out. Belly flat, neck long, reach and in just for 4. Draw your navel in for 3, 2, last 1, and rest. All right, I'm gonna keep my head down here. For this next one, we're gonna do double leg lowers and then bring that band kind of around the mid calf here. So I'm using a light band just for reference. So from here, legs are gonna go straight up towards the ceiling, arms just down by your side, belly is flat. You're gonna lower those legs, lift it back up. Lower and lift. Good, just keep tension on that band the whole time so you feel those outer thighs. And again, you'll feel a lot more low abs here with that band. It's gonna kind of force you to use those low abs a little bit more. Here's 3, 2 more. Last 1, and rest. Oh my gosh, my whole body is shaking. It's a good thing though, right? All right, last one. You're gonna extend those legs straight up towards the ceiling. From here, you're gonna curl it up. Again, hands come behind your head, and then you're gonna push one leg down, find like a little scissor, and then switch. Meet at the top every single time, nice and slow. Just 10 of these, because these are the hardest, I think. Push, again, a little hamstring and a little glute. 2 more each side. Oh my gosh, my legs. 1 more each side. Last one. And rest. Whew. If that last one is a little bit too challenging with the band around the ankles, you can move it back up to the knees. The farther you stretch the band, the harder it will make everything. So hug those knees in, give them a little squeeze. You can rock a little side to side, and then you can take that band off while you are down here. And we will come on up, and you are finished. Like I said, super quick, really targets those abs. If you like this workout, please check out the Fitness Collective app. There are a ton of full-length workouts just for you, just like this, and you will love them. I hope you have a great day.